go, Jake.
Competitive powerlifting is a passion for Jake.
It's just excitement all over the place, and you just like, inside, you're boiling up and just feel so great afterwards. You know, it's hard to explain. It's really hard to explain. You have to be there and do it to really know what it's like.
But a nagging injury forced Jake to stop competing.
Let's try going back to this.
He came to the UW Sports Medicine Strength and Power Clinic for help.
The Strength and Power Clinic is geared toward our athletes that are participating in some of the more higher level lifting classes. This could be something like CrossFit, but there are also high intensity interval training courses. It could be a boot camp class. Any athlete that's training at that high level is where this clinic is geared.
The clinic is for athletes who are dealing with injuries, as well as those who just want to improve their performance.
Hold here. Don't let me push down.
Jake came to the clinic thinking he had a shoulder problem.
For him, it turns out that after evaluating him, his shoulder looked pretty good, but I thought he had more of his symptoms coming from his neck.
Hands are outside of your elbows.
And as we started working on his neck, his symptoms started changing, and that's where things kind of get fun, is that we start seeing that progress quickly.
Brian has a great understanding of a lot of sports. He knows all the ins and outs and cultures of lifting itself, and so I think just his understanding initially of it, knew that I could trust him, and I think building that trust initially was great.
Let's set the position from the top, maintain it as you come down.
As physical therapists, we're skilled in the human body, the anatomy, and the biomechanics of how the body moves. But then having that additional education in an area like a high-level sport, like some of these strength and power athletes are engaging in, allows me to blend both. You know, a lot of the coaches know the movement patterns of how to do a lift, but they don't necessarily know if somebody has pain, how to get them out of that pain.
I never took off training from bench press when I was with him. Dean and I kind of came up with a plan to both improve on performance and not let it go, but also improve on my neck at the same time. So what he would do is he would give me regimens to do alongside my training. And so it was good for me because I never felt like I was falling back. It felt like I was continuously going forward in terms of performance and getting back into the sport, which is a great feeling.
Your back is still staying at the same angle here. It's parallel, which I like.
The plan worked well for Jake. Not only is he pain-free, but his performance in competition has improved.
He just went through a meet just a couple weeks ago, and he was setting some PRs and also some state records.
It was really good to come back from all this and know, hey, it's not over, you know, and I'm still making a lot of progress, and the pain's gone. You know, it's like a double whammy, so it's really good to come back to that.